Hello fan collectors. Today I present you with a polished brass 52-inch Hunter Mayfair ceiling fan from February of 1994. I've had this fan since 2006, late in the year, and I decided to bring it out again because while I was bored and wanted to try out this Hunter light kit I got, which was brand new in the box from Home Depot. It was on clearance for $11. I thought I would use it. Nice bowl finish and faux alabaster. The poles don't exactly match, but I mean you can't really tell from afar. But you can see the Hunter logo on it. And this ceiling fan was sold at K-Mart in the early to mid '90s. Usually sold for less than $100, and it came with polished brass, antique brass, and white. And I do have one that's that I got brand new in the box in antique brass, and it's dated March of 1991. And I'm still looking for one of these in white. And I think it was in 1990 or fall of 1990 they started making these 5-blade. They used to be they started out as 4 blades in the late 80s, but then they evolved into the 5-blade models for the 90s. And let me shed a little light on the situation. Uses the spiral bulbs, the fluorescent ones. Puts out a great deal of light. And I like the neat thing about this combo is that it gives this vintage fan a little bit of a modern twist to it. I just want to see how it looked on this fan, you know. I replaced the pull chain on it, the pull chain unit. I took it from a Hunter low profile 42-inch that I got at Habitat in fall 2011. I mean, it wasn't all there, so I parted it out and voila. And well, the pull chain was broken on this one, so I just decided to resurrect it. And the light just accentuates the oak finish. And the other side is walnut. But I think I like the oak better. Turn the light off. And now let's rev the fan up, shall we? Start on low. Medium. Oops, there it is. The other Hunter Villa series, that's on high. And it's cranking out a good bit of air too. It uses the same motor as this Mayfair, I believe. Now let's bump it up to high, shall we? Wow. It's well balanced and it's running on high, cranking out a lot of air. See that bag's blowing. I don't know how well you can see, it's the bag with the bear on it. That's evidence that this fan is cranking out a ton of air. And it's even flush mounted too, so what does that tell you? Okay, we're going to power down now. Watch the fan spin down. It's hard to believe this fan was sold at K-Mart, but that's back when they actually had good fans on their display, not the crap you see nowadays at Heritage. You can't knock Hunter for their craftsmanship. It's raining heavily in the background. Please ignore that. Okay, fan has stopped, and this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.